MJ TruckNation, your premier dealer for Isuzu, Hino, Fuso, and Cummins. Today we're taking you into the shop to watch our trained technician Trevor perform a comprehensive PM oil service and a multi-point inspection on an Isuzu NPR Gas Truck. This process begins with a rigorous inspection of the entire truck. Trevor will measure front and rear brake wear. He inspects all exterior lighting. He'll examine the suspension and undercarriage for any leaks or loose components. He'll check springs, shocks, U-bolts, exhausts, and motor mounts, verifying the integrity of all components to ensure you stay safe and compliant on the road. From here, he checks tire conditions, measuring tread depth, records any nails or punctures, any alignment issues or balance issues. He will begin to check around the engine, checking belts, hoses, exhaust leaks, any existing fluid conditions. Next, Trevor will drain the old oil, inspecting the oil for any impurities. Trevor will begin to grease the chassis of the truck, which lubricates mechanical components to limit friction. He will also continue examining for more faulty components. Trevor will install a new Isuzu OEM oil filter. And he also fill the oil with premium synthetic to ensure the highest quality performance of your truck. Trevor inflates the tires to the correct PSI. And finally, he will run the engine to check for leaks, double check that the oil levels are perfect. We document every detail for your service advisor, ensuring you know exactly what's going on with your vehicle before it ever leaves our shop. Please call 561-840-9800 or visit our website to schedule your next oil change. We want to keep your truck and your company moving forward.